Next, we will be discussing categories of nouns. Proper nouns. Proper nouns name a particular person, place, or thing. Proper nouns are name-specific, one-of-a-kind items. For example, Maria, Toyota, Tuesday, Halloween, Spain, and May. These are all proper nouns. In the sentence, Khaleesi and her dragon, Rhaegal, dined at Subway. Khaleesi, Rhaegal, and Subway are all proper nouns. Remember, proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Common nouns. A common noun is a nonspecific person, place, or thing. You do not need to capitalize a common noun unless it comes at the beginning of a sentence. All nouns that are not proper nouns are common nouns. Here are some examples of common nouns: girl, cat, weekday, mother, country, and car. In the sentence, a lady and her dragon dined at a restaurant, there are three common nouns. The three common nouns are lady, dragon, and restaurant. Now let's practice finding some common nouns and proper nouns in a sentence. Her mother is called Sarah. The common noun is mother, since it is a non-specific person. And the proper noun is Sarah, because it names a particular person. Her cat is called Romeo. The common noun in this sentence is cat, since it is a non-specific thing. The proper noun is Romeo, because it names a specific thing. I traveled by car to Istanbul in Turkey. The common noun in this sentence is car, since it is a non-specific thing. And there are two proper nouns in this sentence. They are Istanbul and Turkey, because these are both specific, one-of-a-kind places. Singular nouns. Singular nouns indicate only one thing that you can count. For example, cat. In the sentence, I saw a cat outside my home, both cat and home are singular nouns. Boy. In the sentence, the boy had a baseball in his hand, both boy and baseball are singular nouns. And horse. In the sentence, my horse prefers to wear an English saddle, both horse and saddle are singular nouns. Plural nouns. Plural nouns name more than one thing that you can count. For example, boys. The boys were throwing baseballs back and forth between the bases. Boys, baseballs, and bases are all plural nouns because they are more than one thing that you can count. Another example is horses. Our horses are much happier wearing lightweight English saddles. Horses and English saddles are both examples of plural nouns.